guys, so I wanted to do another inspired look. It was between Ace Beauty's Oceanic palette or Jeffree Star's Jawbreaker. With the Jawbreaker palette, I feel like all I could do with that palette is a rainbow look, and I feel like everyone's doing a rainbow look and it's just way too oversaturated, so I didn't want to do a rainbow look. And I freaking love green eyeshadow, especially on brown eyes, so this was another good excuse to do green eyeshadow. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe and let's begin. Okay, so I already put concealer on my eyes and I'm just gonna put some tape on my outer corner because I don't have any more shadow shields. Just gonna make it less sticky. I swear, as soon as I start filming, she starts walking over here, so I look crazy. Okay, so if you have the palette, you're gonna go in with the shade Turtle, but for me, I'm gonna go in with Inglot eyeshadow in number 333. And I'm just gonna pack that on with my Urban Decay brush. This came in the Naked palette. I don't know why it took me so long to use this because I've had this since forever, but this is basically what I've been looking for a long time because I've been using my Sigma concealer brush. I'm just gonna pack this on above my crease. And I'm just gonna go thinner the closer I get to my inner corner because this is a pretty heavy color, so I don't want it to be all packed in right there. So I'm just tapping that on. I'm not really gonna blend it out. So I got a little bit too much right there, but it's fine because we're gonna blend it out anyways. Okay, so next you're gonna go into the shade Seagrass. For me, I'm gonna be using my Karity matte palette and the shade Medusa. I swear the freaking mail person has to always come when I look crazy. Oh my gosh, that wasn't even the package I ordered. I should be getting a package today, so I'm gonna probably scare another mail person. Okay, so like I said, you're gonna go into Seagrass if you have the palette. I'm gonna go into the shade Medusa with a Sigma E36 brush and blend out the edges of that dark green. Just take your time with this. I noticed with Inglot eyeshadows that it's pretty hard to blend out. Like, they're super pigmented, but it takes forever to blend them out. Oh my gosh, I just realized that big ass box my lover ordered is probably the Legos he ordered me. Let me go check.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
If this isn't the Lego, I don't know what he's buying because this is a huge ass box. Oh my gosh, he bought another Lego. Holy crap, how many Legos did he buy? So these aren't for me. This one's for me. Stranger Things. This is actually the first Lego he bought for me. Those are all the Legos I bought for him. All of those. So this is the first Lego he's bought for me, which, oh my gosh, thank you. It's so cute. Okay, back to the program. Okay, where was I? Oh, I was blending this out. I'm just kind of going back and forth with this. I'm not really doing circular motions. I kind of want it to stay in this straight line. I feel like I should make this side longer. It looks a little bit short compared to this side. I'm just going to pack some more of that green from the Karity matte palette. Doesn't seem like it wants to stick. Come on, you can do it. Okay, I'm just gonna blend out that green one more time. Actually, you know what? Let me pack it on and then blend it out because that green is not popping like I want it to. So So first I'm gonna tap it on. I'm just using an e.l.f. smudge brush. Okay, now I'm gonna blend that out with the shade Wicked. If you have the Ace Beauty palette, then you could go in with the shade Algae or Seaweed, just any lighter green. I'm going in with that same brush and then blending out that green. Doing what I did the first time, using back and forth motions. Because I'm trying not to get it super high. I mean, this is about to touch my eyebrow, so I kind of wanted to stay in like this vicinity. So that area is just not picking up any pigment. Just pretend it's not there. Okay, now I'm gonna take a big fluffy brush. This is Sigma's E35. I'm not adding anything on it. I'm just very softly. I don't want to blend this out too much because, like I said, I don't want it to touch my eyebrows. Okay, now I'm just going to go in with my Stamp Cut Crease and my Makeup Revolution white concealer. I'm not going to put it all over, I just want that outline, so I'm just going to put it right here, like on the tip. Okay, just packing that on just so I have an outline. And I'm just going to follow that outline with an ABH number 3 brush. You know what, I want to make that just a little bit higher. Hopefully this doesn't mess it up. Probably will. I guess it's fine if you mess up because you're gonna cover it up anyways. Okay, now we're gonna use it as an outline to place the next product. If you have the palette, you're gonna go in with the shade Algae. And for my neon green, I'm gonna go in with Blush Tribe's Rufia. So this is very loose and will fall all over your face. So first I'm gonna mix this with Inglot's Duraline and draw an eyeliner. And then while it's still wet, I'm gonna pack this dry, because when it's wet it gets darker than this and I want this to be really bright like this shade. So I'm going to be using my Sigma, I think it says E11, it's just a thin eyeliner brush. I'm going to add some of the Duraline to the lid and mix that up, and then I'm going to use it as eyeliner. So I'm just going to draw basically on that white. You can be messy because we're going to cover it up. Oh, it still looks neon. When I played with this in the bathroom, it got really dark when I mixed it with the Duraline. But right here, it does look neon. I'll still add it dry so that it can pop just a little more. So I'm going to go back in with that Urban Decay brush and just tap that over the liner while it's still wet, just so it's a lot brighter. Like I said, don't worry about getting messy. There's always ways to clean it up. Again, we're going to pack that on dry. Okay, now we're going to go back in with that concealer again. Same Urban Decay brush. And again, I'm not going to put the concealer all over. I'm just going to outline so that I could make this neon green a little bit thinner. You can make this line as thick or thin as you want. See, I mean, you can make the liner really thick like that if you want, but I want it way thinner than that. So let me go back in with my eyeliner brush. I want this to be pretty thin so that you can see the glitter. I hate this part because I really have to hold my breath in. And then if you mess up or make it too thin, you can go back in with that neon green, put it on, clean it up. It's like a lot of hard work. Okay, and you're basically going to use that outline as an outline to where to put your glitter glue and your glitter. So I'm going to be using Lit Cosmetics glitter glue, and for glitter I'm going to be using Smolder Cosmetics gold brush. So I'm going to tap that glitter glue right where I put the white concealer, and then I'm going to tap the glitter on. Okay, let me go put on some face makeup and lashes and mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, next let's go into the lower lash line. I'm gonna go back in with that Inglot shade and my Sephora All Over Shadow Small Brush. Okay, and we're just gonna run that along the lower lash line. I'm just tapping that in first. It feels like my concealer's sticky even though I set it. So I'm just gonna tap it in. Again, I'm gonna go back to this dark green right below that. This feels easier to swipe from side to side. Okay, and for eyeliner, I'm just gonna go with the black in this palette. I'm just gonna tap that in as close as I can to the waterline. Okay, so for my lower lash line, I'm just gonna use Colourpop's Volumizing Mascara. I like this for my lower lash line because it doesn't really lengthen it. I just feel like my eyes look weird when my lower lashes look extra long. So now let's move on to lips. I'm going to be using Milk Cosmetics Tomboy. It's like an army green. This will probably be like the first and last time I'm going to use this lipstick. Usually when I buy really like unique weird lipsticks, it's because I have a look in mind, but I don't remember what look I had in mind for this lipstick. And I tried so many lipstick colors with this look and they all kind of clashed. So I feel like I have to stick to something like green or a nude. So let's put this on. Oh my gosh, after like the whole Jaclyn Hill lipstick thing, I got so many of my lipsticks and like cut them open. They were like 6 to 8 years old. They looked perfectly fine. Like I never wore them, so I really didn't care that I cut them open, but I mean that ish is insane. The only lipsticks I've had a problem with was my BH Cosmetics lipsticks. I talked about them in my empties videos. So those have been in my bathroom for almost 6 years. And you can imagine all the heat from a shower every day and then it cooling off. And then the heat from a shower and it becoming all moist and wet and then cooling off for 6 years. So that was the only lipstick that looked like it expired because there was a bunch of like tiny dots all over it and it kind of looked like mold. So that's the only lipstick I've ever had a problem with. Yeah, I don't think I've ever spent like $18 on a lipstick. Like I'd probably spend that on a liquid lipstick, but these types of lipsticks aren't really my favorite. Yeah, there had to be a reason why I bought this color because makes me look dead. I have a lot of colors like that. Maybe I just like looking like a corpse. Yeah, I mean, it kind of matches. Yeah, it makes my face look really gray. Who cares? I don't know when I'm gonna ever use this again, so might as well use it now. Okay guys, we're all set. Thank you for watching this weird look. When am I not doing weird looks? And I'll see you guys in the next video. I hate how I never notice my eyeshadows until I start taking pictures. I swear this eye, I hate this eye. It's always off. This eye is always perfect and this eye is always off. Okay, I'm done complaining. Thanks for watching, guys.